What is going on? Joseph Bulmer here. I am headed south today to take a look at a 5-liter V8 out of a 95 F-150. It's supposed to have 155,000 miles on it, and it's supposed to run. The guy's asking $250 for it. Gonna give it a good once over. If it looks good, he says he's going to give a 90-day warranty on it. This guy does run a business, so with that thought in mind, I'm probably going to pick this engine up and we're going to drop it into Blake's 88 F-150 just to get it on the road for now, and that way I can take a little more time rebuilding the engine that came out of it and make sure everything's 100% right before we drop it in. For $250, as long as I don't have to put a bunch of parts into it to actually put it in there and make it roadworthy, it's well worth it, and that'll give me a little more time to spend to go through his engine, do it right the first time, and do a little bit of research so I can make it a good running, good running engine in that truck. And this 95 should pretty well be a drop-in. We may have to do a few minor things. Anyway, hang in there. We're going to go take a look at this engine. And I don't know if I'll get any video while I'm there. We'll see. But we'll definitely get some video of this engine for you. Do me a favor, guys. Hit the subscribe button. Smash that like button. That way YouTube knows that I'm doing something here that people are enjoying. Share the videos with your friends. And please, as always, if you have any questions, throw them down in the comment section. I'd be more than happy to answer them for you. And enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, what is going on? Joseph Bulmer here, and I'm here with Blake again. And we have the $200 302 here on the engine stand. Here in a second, you're going to see a time lapse of us getting it off the lift, getting it on the stand, tearing all the accessories and stuff off of it. We went ahead and tore the oil pan off. I was thinking about putting an oil pump in it, but that oil pump seems to be working just fine. Well, we are going to swap the oil pans because that one's pretty rusty. We heated up, got the studs out of the manifolds because they were all corrupted. Pulled the spark plugs out, took a look at the compression. It has good compression, as best we can by turning it over. Every cylinder's got compression, none of them are leaking. Give me a second. I suspect, I'm going to show you guys something. Hang on a second. Allegedly, this engine has 155,000 miles on it. If you could see down in that cylinder, right above the piston, you can still see the crosshatch. You can see it a little bit in that one. Let's see here. If I get you in the right spot, you can see it in that one. You can see it down in this one as well. It's a lot harder to get just the right spot. You can see the crosshatch still down there in the cylinder, the machine marks. And all these pistons seem to be tight. Each one of these rods right here has been numbered where it's been split. So it is a little sludgy looking on the inside. I mean, you can see that.
Probably just didn't replace this. Don't worry about all this.
Well, no, you can see some other areas where there's a little bit of sludge. It's a little sludgy looking, but for it looking that sludgy, I'm shocked to see that there's that much crosshatch left. So I suspect that maybe at some point, somebody pulled this engine out and rebuilt it, or at least freshened it up and stuck it back in here. So everything seems to be good on it. We're going to get our new oil pan from the other engine put on here. That way, because that one's getting pretty rusty, and I don't want the one that's down here, I don't want it pinholing. So we get a good pan back on it, new pan gasket. I am going to put a rear main seal in it. Yeah, we'll go ahead and put the rear main in it. We're going to drop it in the truck. So hang in there, we're going to throw you back in the time lapse, and you guys can watch us work. Because unfortunately the camera didn't want to cooperate. We shoved this truck in here. After a little bit of joking around, we managed to find the right clutch alignment tool for it. So I get the clutch, we get the flywheel on, get the clutch lined up, get the clutch bolted onto the flywheel, and then we'll be ready to get this engine back in the truck. So with any hope, like I already showed you the inside of this thing, we swapped the oil pan over because that one was looking pretty crusty and we don't want that one pinholing. Yeah, and we swapped out the exhaust studs in the manifolds, got it ready to go on. Just doing some other odds and ends stuff that we need to get done to put this thing in and make sure that everything's good when it goes in, put new spark plugs in it. It's hanging here from the hoist. So we're going to get that lined up and we're going to drop it in the truck. I'm going to throw you back in the time lapse and I'm going to Hollywood over here, Dad. And hopefully this engine will run, hopefully it'll run well, and it'll run well for a while and give us some time to actually go through and rebuild the other one properly. Yeah. Yeah, hopefully. So, we're going to throw you back in the time lapse and we're going to dive into getting this thing put in the truck. So, here we go. we got everything reassembled under here. I hope. It's getting late. We're getting tired. Shut up. I am. I gotta go to work tomorrow. Anyway, we're gonna try and fire it up for the first time. I am gonna have to set the timing off camera. What you didn't see, the old distributor out of this engine. This is this truck's an 88, so the distributor out of the 88 is not the same as the 95, so I had to pull the distributor. The 88 distributor's gear was all worn down, so we pressed the gear off the 88 distributor, we put the 95 gear on the 88 distributor. Oh, hope it all works together well. We'll know as soon as we fire it up. But we gotta get fired up. I'm gonna have to set the initial timing, which timing light set up, and then I'll have him try and fire it up. And we'll see what our timing looks like. You have to set the base timing with the spout connector out, and then you put the spout connector back in, and the engine, the computer will time itself from there. But crank, make sure it's in neutral. What?
That thing?
Yeah.
I'm not starting it, am I?
Yep.
Starting it?
Yep.
What the?
Crank her up.
That thing not gonna shoot anything anymore?
No.
Okay, but not.
Alright guys, that's going to be a wrap for tonight. We've got to run it, she's got a high idle we're going to have to figure out. But I think we get her back to the house for tonight and we'll take it from there. Let him know later on. Hopefully he's got enough gas and I won't have to drag him on the chain. We'll see. Anyway, big thanks to Paul Clark at Clark's Auto Body. He's the guy who had this engine for sale. It's in, it's working, so if you happen to see this, Paul, thank you. I'm sure he's excited. Even if he's not paying attention to you, you can't see him through the windshield. So, we're going to back this thing out. We're going to get this mess cleaned up. Guys, don't be afraid to get out there and get your hands dirty. You might have a little fun doing it. Stay tuned. We'll see you on the next one. Please, as always, don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Share this with your friends. It's late. We're tired. We'll see you later.